Initiating a manual charge cycle and having the doors locked as you walk away requires a little bit of a specific procedure. We'll start just by arming the auto start cycle. As a review, set the handbrake, turn the ignition to the run position, and hold the button next to the steering wheel until it turns red. Now, we'll start the manual charge cycle by pressing the button 3 times, closing the door, and pressing the lock button 3 times in quick succession. It's important to get the door closed and the button on the key fob pressed promptly in order to get the coach to lock. If it doesn't work, you haven't done the procedure quickly enough.